Hello guys, welcome to Algebra class. This time we are going to go over this rational function reviews. This one is really easy. Practically speaking, only thing that you really have to do is when they say which one of this one is equivalent to this, you just have to put this one into decimals. Just be careful if you have made any mistakes while you're putting this one into decimals. So I'm gonna put fraction times fraction. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 over 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 times x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So we have this interesting looking graph. Let me double check if I have made any mistake. Yes, I did. Do you see this x? That should be x squared. So let me change it to x squared. Okay, so this one looks a little bit better. So we have this graph. Only thing that we have to do is we just have to put this one into decimals and see which one matches. So x plus 1, 2x plus 3. Well, this one does not match. Second one is going to be x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Oh, as you can see, do you see this one matches? So that's going to be the answer. So pause the video. Now try question number 2 by yourself. Let's do number 3. It's the same thing. We have to put this one in decimals, but remember, we have division here, right? In that case, what you have to do is you have to change it to multiply, and you have to flip the other one. So I really want you guys to rewrite everything. First one, you have to rewrite as it is. So it's going to be 6x squared minus x minus 1 over x squared plus 7x plus 12 times. Now this we have to flip. So we are going to write x squared plus 6x plus 8 over x squared minus 4. The other one here, we don't really have to switch it because it's multiplication here. So it's going to be just x plus 3 over 2x minus 1. Okay. So if you see like 2 division here, you also have to flip this one by changing this one to multiplication. So don't be lazy when you're doing this, all right? All right, so we have this very interesting looking graph. Double check if you have made any mistake. To me, yes, I did. Do you see this 6x? Here. So keep that in mind. It's always possible that you make mistake, okay? So now we're gonna put this into decimals and see which one matches. Actually, that part, do it by yourself, all right? So you can pause the video, try question on the right by yourself. Number 5 and 6, it's gonna be same thing, okay? So number 4 is the same thing. Just be careful. This one is a division like twice. So when you change it this, you gotta change the multiplication. You gotta flip this too. Change it to multiplication. You gotta flip this too. All right. So 5 and 6, you can do it by yourself. Number 7 and 8. I'm not sure really if you're gonna have this one on your decimals when you're on your test. You should not, but I'm pretty sure they will give you about 1 or 2 questions like this. What you're doing is very simple. Question says, what is the domain of this function? So when you actually put this one into decimals, first you gotta put divide and 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. When you actually look at this, here we go. We have this graph here. And as you can see, domain is going to be nearly all real number, except for there's going to be two x-intercept, which you cannot really tell. So always your domain is all real number, except for this denominator here. Now, do you see x squared plus 6x plus 8? That one, you really have to do it by hand, by factoring it. 8 and 6. So what are the two number combination that can give you this? These are going to be 4 and 2, because 4 times 2 gives you 8. 4 plus 2 gives you 6. So we don't really care about top number, okay? We really care about only like bottom number. So it's going to be x plus 4, x plus 2. I'm pretty sure you remember this, where x cannot be equal to opposite of these numbers, which is -4, -2. Therefore, your domain is going to be -infinity to -4, because we start -4 is smaller than -2, union -4 to -2, union -2 to infinity. Common mistake is because you got 4 and 2, you just do this as an answer. That's why they put this one as an A. That's not true. Answer is going to be B. So try question number 8 by yourself. This one is difference of square. The one that, so pause the video, try it by yourself. All right, let's check your answer. So again, we don't care about our top numbers. I'm gonna just copy this one down. So I just copied the top number here, and then now we're gonna factor the bottom. It has only two terms, so you're gonna set up two parentheses. Your sign is gonna be positive and negative. Now, what can give us 9x squared? 3x times 3x. What can give us 64? 8 and 8. All right, where x cannot be equal to, well, do you see this positive 8? Opposite of positive 8 is -8 over, because we have a 3 in front of x, you have to divide by that number. And the other one is going to be 8 over 3. So your answer is the same thing. Well, obviously, as you can see, I made a mistake. That should be 8, not rather than 7. Okay, so change all this number to 8. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that also has to be 8, but whatever. So your answer, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find answer by looking at it. All right. Yeah. This one, what's a domain? This one, when you factor this one, I believe this one is the hardest question. When you factor it, remember, this one is a slightly harder. Do you remember how to factor when there's a number in front of x squared with the trinomial? Step number 1, move first number to the last number and then multiply, which you will get x squared plus 5x plus 2 times 3 is 6. Factor it. So you'll have x plus 3, x plus 2. But don't forget, because we moved first number to the last number and then multiply, we have to divide each number by 2. So it's going to be x plus 3 over 2, x plus 1. Last thing that you got to do is you move denominator in front of x, which you will get 2x plus 3, x plus 1. Yep, so that's the bottom number here, which means x cannot be equal to opposite of these two numbers. So that probably is going to be -3 over 2 and -1, because opposite of positive 3 is -3, divided by 2 right here and this. So you can find answer out of this one, I believe. And I believe you guys can factor this bottom by yourself, okay? Not a big deal. Yep. Question number 11 and 12. Which expression is equivalent to this? Well, same thing. This one, as soon as you see something that says equivalent to something else, you just put this one into where? Decimals, as it is, and you gotta put this one into decimals and see which one matches. Right? And so is these two questions. Those are very easy questions, all right? I don't think I really have to go over this because that's gonna be just wasting your time. Although, so try this one by yourself, and if you have any questions, let me know. Alright guys, good luck on this activity, and I hope you guys do really well on midpoint check by the time I go back there. Alright, see you guys. Bye.